Creating an Azure File Share, a step-by-step guide. Azure File Shares provide a seamless way to store and manage files in the cloud with easy accessibility and scalability. In this guide, you'll learn the steps to create an Azure File Share within an existing storage account. Step 1. Access the storage account. 1. Log in to the Azure portal. 2. Navigate to your existing storage account where the file share will be created. Step 2. Open File Service. 1. On the overview page of the storage account, locate and click on File Service. 2. This section allows you to manage file shares within the storage account. Step 3. Create a new file share. 1. Click on Add File Share. 2. In the name field, type Marketing to name your file share. Step 4. Set Access Tier. 1. Click the Access Tier drop-down to choose the appropriate access level. 2. For this lab, select the Hot tier, which is optimized for frequent access, ideal for marketing-related files. Step 5. Skip backup configuration. 1. Proceed to the Backup section. 2. Uncheck the Enable Backup option since backups are not configured in this scenario. Step 6. Review and confirm. 1. Click on Next Review to check the file share configuration. 2. Ensure all settings are correct, then click Create to finalize the process. Step 7. Wait for deployment. 1. Wait for the deployment to complete. This may take a few moments. 2. Once done, you'll be redirected to the overview page of the newly created file share. Outcome. At the end of these steps, you'll have a fully functional Azure file share named Marketing, ready for use in cloud-based storage scenarios. Azure File Shares provide a robust and scalable solution for organizations needing accessible and secure file storage across various environments.